What's up guys? Welcome back again to my channel, and for today's video, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano natin hanapan ng solusyon itong na-encounter kong problem, kasi maybe hindi lang po ako yung naka-encounter nito, and maybe I can help with you. Help you with this problem. So kung nakikita nyo guys, itong gutter ko is hindi ko siya ma-connect or ma-intersect ng maayos. And hindi tama tong itsura niya. And napaka-weird, di ba? So ang nakita kong solution is, I even, tinry ko na rin baguhin yung, yung roof angle ko. So, binabaan ko na siya, tinaasan ko na konti, but still doesn't work. But I found this solution, this better solution. So, first, ang gagawin natin is to remove first this one. And then you go here on architecture tab, and then go here in component, module in place, casework, I think. Yan, so go. Casework. So, pangalanan na lang natin siya ng YouTube gutter. YouTube gutter 1. Yan. And then go here on sweep. So, bago natin i-click yung sweep, kailangan muna natin i-set yung work plane natin. So, first, pick a plane, and then select this plane, go to sweep, and then, kapag naka 3D kayo, pick part. So, yan. So, select mo lang yung, yung part na lalagyan mo, pero in this case, lalagyan ko siya, yan, all around ng likod. And so, click this check mark, and then edit profile. So, lipat tayo dito sa right view para mas maganda yung natin, kuha na angle. So, yan. I think this is 300 millimeter. 300, and then 100, again 100. So, example lang to, no guys. And then 100. Same thing, 100 ulit, and then 100. And then go to fillet, kasi hindi naman siya pwedeng ganito lang kasi may stuck yung tubig. So, ito. Go here. Here, 25. So, same thing din dito. Think. Example lang po ito na guys. Hindi ko po alam yung exact dimension ng ating gutter. So, yan. Then, just pick a plane. So, since hollow, ito yung butas to. So, lalagyan natin siya dito ng offset ng 15. For example, meron na tayong fascia. And then, nipisa na natin ng 5 mm. So, yan. Lagyan lang natin lahat. And then, kailangan naka-close yung edges natin. Kasi hindi siya magsisave. Oops. Oops, bakit siya nagkaganon? So you can use the trim then extend command. So and then hit check. Okay. And then check. And yes, there we go. Yan, so ayan po. Yan, so, yan, magkadugtong na yung ating gather and then hit finish model. Yan. Guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It will help me out a lot para makapag-produce pa ng mga ganitong helpful videos. And if you have any suggestions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave that in the comment section. I will try to answer that. So guys, again, thank you and God bless.